Well, 2020 looks like a year of pandemics. First, the COVID 19, and then the locust attack. And we are not sure what will come next. In this video, we will talk about water locusts, how they grow exponentially and form plagues. So, without any further delay, let's start this video. First of all, what are locusts? Locusts belong to a species of grasshoppers which belongs to the family Acridae. They are well known for their swarming habit. Originally, these locusts are solitary, but somewhat changes to gregarious behavior. Locust sightings in India. These were the first swarms reported in mid to late May 2020 in India since 1997. These swarms were sighted along the India-Pakistan border on April 11th. Over a few days, these swarms have reported to various states of India like Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and the list goes on. Locusts generally reported in India are desert locust, migratory locust, Bombay locust, tree locust, etc. With the onset of monsoon and change in the wind direction, locust invasion proceeds from East Africa towards India from Saudi Arabia, crossing the Red Sea over the Iran and Pakistan, devouring major crops as they pass by and causing severe damage to crops. What causes sudden change in behavior? The gregarious behavior is a result of increase in number, meaning they reproduce in large numbers. It usually starts with the onset of heavy rainfall. These locusts, mainly desert locusts, needs moist soil to lay its eggs. They have receptors all over their body, but the receptors responsible for their gregarious behavior is present on their hind legs. The tactile movement of their hind legs and increased contact between these locusts increases the level of serotonin. The increased level of serotonin further causes them to change color, increases their appetite, and attracts other locusts, so they reproduce more. Increased mutual attraction causes them to reproduce more and more. The transformation is induced by several contacts per minute and might occur within 4 hours period. This ongoing cycle causes a series of events, further increasing their numbers rapidly. This rapid increase in number of locusts forms crowds and what we usually refer to as swarms. When the population becomes denser, they form band of wingless nymphs which develops swarms of winged adults. These bands and swarms move together over long distances, destroying vegetation along their travel. The emergence of upsurges in a particular area from entirely separate breeding locations are known as plagues. During outbreaks and initial stages of upsurges, only a fraction of the locust population becomes gregarious. What is the cause of their early arrival in India this year? Cyclonic storms like Mekunu and Luban in Oman and Yemen respectively in 2018 and rains turned deserted area into greenery, and with newer water sources, a perfect breeding ground for these insects, causing them to breed rapidly, which continued throughout the last year. These swarms reached peak populations in November in East Africa and moved to southern Iran and Pakistan since the beginning of 2020. With continued heavy rains in East Africa in March-April, further causing a phenomenal increase in their numbers. More about these locusts. They can travel up to 150 kilometers per day with a speed of around 16 to 19 kilometers per hour. The desert locust generally lives in solitary lifestyle in deserts between West Africa and India. These swarms of locusts usually rest at night. It breeds after periods of rainfall as it needs moist soil to lay its eggs. Each locust can eat up to their full body weight of vegetation each day. Sometimes these plagues are so big they devour or leaves, branches of a tree and might cause trees to fall down. What is the history of these locusts forming plagues? They have formed various plagues throughout the history. These are mentioned in Bhagavad Gita, the Iliad, the Bible, and ancient Egyptians carved locusts on tombs in period 2470 to 2220 BC. In 1954, a swarm flew from Northwest Africa to Great Britain. While in 1988, another swarm traveled from West Africa to Caribbean, a distance of more than 3,100 miles in just 10 days. Control in India. In India, the Locust Warning Organization monitors the number of locusts. The government uses drones to track the locust swarm movements. The other things used to contain the attack are satellite-derived tools, special fire tenders, and chemical sprayers like organophosphate chemicals at pre-identified border locations. Farmers are being supplied with high-intensity insecticide free of cost. Well, that was a short, informative video about locusts. If you want videos like this, subscribe to my channel for more.